Isang mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. Ako po si Nicole Castillo and welcome po sa aking daily devotion. So, ang topic po natin ngayon is General Eschatology. So, kapag sinabing General Eschatology, it is the study of the future events that affects the whole world, like the return of Christ, the resurrection of the dead, the final judgment, and the new heaven and earth. This reminds us that history is going somewhere. God is moving everything toward a glorious and victorious end. So, ayun po sa Acts chapter 1 verse 11, and said, "Men of Galilee, why do you stand looking into heaven? This Jesus who was taken up from you into heaven will come in the same way as you saw him go into heaven." So, dumako naman po tayo sa ating katuruan. So, ayon po dito sa ating katuruan, meron daw pong 3 things that will happen in the future. So, ito daw po yung tatlong bagay na mangyayari sa hinaharap. So, first is return to Christ. So, darating daw po muli si Jesus sa tamang panahon, gaya ng pinangako niya. Hindi natin alam ang eksaktong araw o oras, pero kailangan natin maging handa palagi. His return will make the beginning of God's final plan for the world. So, next naman po is resurrection and judgment. So, pagbalik daw po ni Jesus Christ is magkakaroon ng resurrection. So, lahat ng tao, both living and dead, will face God. Each of one of us will be judged. So, ayon sa ating pananampalataya at gawa. So, yung mga naniniwala kay Jesus at sumusunod sa Kanya will have eternal life. So, next po is restoration of creation. So, hindi lang tao ang babaguhin, kundi pati ang buong creations. So, kumbaga, i-recreate ni Lord yung ginawa niya na mga bagay. So, hindi lang tao ang babaguhin niya, kundi pati yung buong creation. So, God will make a new heaven and a new earth. So, a place na walang sakit, kasalanan, at kamatayan. And it will be the perfect home with God forever. So, para naman po sa ating applications, make this world a better place. So, habang hinintay natin ang pagbabalik ni Jesus, so, gawin natin ang mundo na mas mabuting lugar. Kumbaga, by spreading love, standing up for truth, and caring for others. So, next po is make one step closer to Jesus each day. So, each day, kahit maliit na step, like praying, reading the Bible, or obeying God, will bring us to closer to Jesus. So, consistency, not perfection, is what matters. So, next is make at least one act of kindness each day as investment for eternity. So, every simple act of love and kindness na ginagawa natin sa kapwa is an investment sa langit. So, hindi sayang ang kabutihan. So, God sees every small deed done in love. So, ayun lang po, maraming salamat.